Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can create a pop-up campaign that will be displayed on our website using WayMore's AI Popups tool. First, let's navigate to the AI Popups tool by going to the Website Studio category in the left side menu and clicking AI Popups. Now let's click on the New Campaign button and then select the pop-up type and click on the next button. These are the settings of our pop-up campaign. Let's add the name of our campaign by clicking the Edit Campaign Name button and typing the name. Now let's start with the first step by selecting the website of this pop-up campaign from the drop-down selector. Note that in order for the WayMore pop-ups to work, the WayMore.js has to be installed on the selected website. Now let's go to the next step, which is selecting the pop-up template design that we will use in our pop-up campaign. You can select an existing template that you have already created by clicking on the Use Template button of that template. Or you can create a new one by clicking on the Create New Pop-up Template button here, provide the name of your template, and click the Start Building button. Here you can build your own pop-up template by dragging and dropping elements like text, buttons, input fields, and more. And you can adjust their appearance by selecting them and editing their settings. We will see the pop-up builder in more detail in another video. For now, let's jump cut to a simple newsletter subscription template that I created for demonstration. So, from here we click on Save, then Publish, and then back to my pop-ups. So let's select to use the template we just created. Now let's select when we would like to show the pop-up to our visitors. We have plenty of trigger options, like when the visitor is inactive for a certain amount of time, or when he enters a specific page of our website and more. For this pop-up campaign, let's select the On Every Website Page trigger, which will show the pop-up when the visitor enters any page of our website. Let's select the devices this trigger will work on, and click Save, and Save again to add the selected trigger to our pop-up campaign. Now, let's select the frequency that our pop-up will appear to a visitor by typing the maximum number of times the pop-up can appear to a visitor in a single session, and the minimum allowed time between two appearances of the pop-up. Click Save to add the frequency rule to our pop-up campaign. Let's click the Next button to move to the final step. Here we can select if we want to save our pop-up submissions as contacts inside WayMore, or if we want to schedule our pop-up campaign to be active only for a specific time period. Finally, when we have completed creating our pop-up campaign, we click the Activate Pop-up button to activate it. And as you can see, our pop-up campaign has been successfully activated. Note that we can activate or deactivate a pop-up campaign using the status toggle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WayMore tutorials, and remember, with WayMore, you achieve way more.